Hey everyone, this is an unboxing video for Sasha's new iPhone 15 Pro. She ordered the blue titanium and she did get an upgrade to the 256GB model. The top 5 features for the new iPhone 15 Pro are going to be the USB-C port that allows up to 10 gigabits per second transfer speeds, the new action button, the A17 Pro chip, the titanium case material, and for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, they have a new 5x telephoto lens. This is the phone. The material looks darker, but in the light you can definitely tell it's blue, but it's definitely a more darker blue. It does look really nice, and it does feel really nice. There's a new action button. The material is definitely more rounded off, and it's a brushed finish. This is going to be the new USB-C port, and this one, since it's a Pro model, it is up to 10 gigabit per second transfer speeds. And the edges do feel a lot nicer rather than a sharper edge as the previous models. The shading and the color does look really nice. This is the new USB-C to USB-C charging cable. It's a nice braided cable. However, Apple does confirm that it's only a USB 2, and if you want a USB 3 for the transfer speeds, you're going to need to buy a separate cable. I'm just going to set up the phone for her right now. Setting up the phone is pretty simple. This is a step-by-step guide. Sasha's upgrading from an iPhone 12 to an iPhone 15 Pro, so it should be a significant jump for her. So one of the new features is the action button. This is what the action button provides. You can do silent, focus mode, camera, which I'm guessing she's going to be using. There's also the flashlight, voice memo, magnifier, shortcuts, which can pretty much use the shortcut to do anything on the phone, accessibility, and then no action. Although I don't know why you would want to use a no action. So we're just going to leave it on camera. One of the new features of iOS 17 is it can now do portrait mode after you take the photo. And in here you can actually refocus where you want and change the f-stop. As you can see here, when I tap focus on somewhere else, and then if I focus here, it'll actually change the focus and blur out this section. I did check, the iPhone 15s can change between portrait and non-portrait modes after the photo is taken. However, previous models, you have to be in portrait mode in order to use these new focus features. And this is a quick side-by-side comparison between the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro. The iPhone 15 Pro's color looks a little bit more saturated. Both of them are still really good, but when you actually zoom in, the details on the iPhone 15 Pro does look a lot nicer. Well, that's all for the iPhone 15 Pro unboxing. Thanks for joining us. Bye.